Okay guys, welcome to Visayang Tagalog vlog with my little JC and Brad Manny. So I will tour you on the one of the long so we will do the travel road trip. Okay, road trip. Woo! Happy ba JC?
Happy ba JC?
So I will bring you to the one of the longest tunnel in Southeast Asia. So the KPE-MCE Tunnel. So this one is a two highway underneath the Singapore, underground in Singapore. So hindi lang hindi lang MRT ang nasa Singapore. Expressway also. Expressway tunnel. So this one is one, maybe, I'm not sure, it's one of the biggest and the longest in South.
11 kilometers.
About 11 kilometers.
Yeah.
So let's go. Okay. Let's go. Hindi ka tahu niya. Pasti patay minang takano ba na? Ano bitaw ka nang? Kanang dili ano nga? No, pwede sa matang. Sige na ngunit guys dili na. Copyright. So I don't want to put music so that we cannot claim copyright. So
we cannot claim copyright.
Guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Corlit'z at JCM Angelez. You can type the VisLog vlog, then you can see my channel. Little boss. Tingog sa little boss.
Kuwan kayo siya ron ba? Behave. Tsaka kailan niya basta kalaan ko. Welcome to PIE. Hi guys. So now we're going to the longest tunnel in Southeast Asia. I'm not sure in KL and in Thailand. So far I know here is the longest one and the biggest. Little boss. Behave ang little boss.
Behave. So now we are in KPE Tampines Expressway. We going there. KPE ECP. Wow. Easy. Okay. From here until Vivo City, Marina Bay, about 11 kilometers. Okay, welcome to KPE Tunnel. This one was built about, I forgot already.
Dito na siya nakakuha rin mga magsuot.
Wow. Little boss, are you still okay? Where is that?
Tunnel.
This tunnel is monitored by the LTA camera. They also have a speed camera. So the maximum speed for this tunnel is about 80 kilometers per hour. Wow! Roar! Another 5 kilometers. Now we're driving about 6 kilometers already. Wow! Nice! This is MCE. This highway is about 10 lane. 5 lane toward south, 5 lane toward east, toward north and south. So total 10 lanes. This was built a couple years ago. About 2014, not sure, 2014. Wow, nice! Okay, this is the end of our tunnel. Now we're going to AYE. This is the city view of the tunnel. Left side, right side, left side, right side, in front. Welcome to the city. From the province of Tampines to the city of Singapore. From a province. Okay. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next vlog. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, the bell button below. Bye! Oh, wow, driver! Shoot, street driver! Faster! Go, go! Hey, taas yung tiil! Ano lang? Drive, drive! Wow, wow! Driver, oh. The driver, oh, very good, oh. Bye-bye. So guys, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and click the bell button below for notification. Thanks for watching my VisLog and see you in the next vlog. Bye.